In this video, we will discover more differences and similarities between the two solutions regarding visualization, documentation, data handling, and publishing. In terms of visualization, we can say that the common 3D design software is often associated with some of the most popular visualization plugins with which we can certainly create amazing looking renderings. Archicad has a built-in rendering solution which uses Maxon's Cineware and Redshift engines. It comes out of the box and grants you tons of options and great freedom to set up your final take. While a 3D-only modeling software would require you to download extensions or external rendering solutions to create visualizations. Although with Archicad it's also possible to connect with most of the traditional and real-time renderers out there in the market with dedicated Archicad Live Connection plugins, so it doesn't limit you to the built-in engine only. Now let's talk about the metadata. Remember, a BIM element is not just geometry, it also carries valuable information. If we look at the properties of a wall, for example, you can set up the geometrical parameters, of course, but at the same time, you can add specific values to its properties such as structural function, position, fire resistance, and more. You can even create your own properties that can be assigned to classifications. So if an element is classified as a wall, it will get the wall properties and we can fill those values. This information then can be extracted in interactive schedules or used as auto text for documentation. In 3D modeling and design software, since it is a direct modeling tool, these properties and data calculation are non-existent. Model elements can only be classified by their materials, groups, components, or layers, and schedules could only be made by counting manually and inputting the data in Excel files or 2D CAD applications. Lastly, about publishing and supported file formats. Publishing in a 3D design software allows you to set up your 2D or 3D views using a feature called Scenes that has references to the modeling space. If you want to publish a view in proper paper sizes, you must transfer it to another layouting software where you can post them, edit its line work and title blocks, and manually add fields and dimensions, and publishing formats are mainly limited. In Archicad, you can use the Layout Book, a different tab on the navigator that has master layouts, which serves as a template for your layouts, which will be your final drawing sheets. You can place any drawing from the view map to a layout by dragging, dropping, and adjusting it. Furthermore, layouts can be organized into publisher sets. You can set the output format and export all your documentation with the push of a button. It's a powerful tool that supports various formats, including DWG, IFC, PDF, image formats, and more. That concludes this comparison between 3D modeling software and Archicad workflows.